Hello and welcome. Today I'd like to introduce the new WestRock CanCollar Forte, the complete plastic-free alternative to classical shrink foil packs or high compacts, as in use for 6 packs for cans, or 4 packs, and as well for the bigger one and also the smaller 33 centiliter standard cans. And now I'm going to show you how it works. You need an applicator like this one here. We call it chunk machine, where you put the CanCollar itself, again made fully out of cardboard, onto this special plastic tray. You put it over the classical tray of cans, a 24 tray as normal as you use everywhere. You apply it over it, slide it under the applicator. So, and you see, here you have the finished 4-pack, and this is really the stable version now, containing all the 4 cans safely together. And the main reason why it holds are those small carton flaps, which you see here just below the rim of each and every can. And those carton flaps are designed that way that they exactly and precisely keep the can securely hold in here. And it's not a coincidence that it's sorted this way and that here, for example, there's a gap in between. That's really the basis of a longer research we did in the past months and even years to provide you with a fully secure package you can use, whether it's a 4-pack or a 6-pack, and a very, very good alternative to the high con application. The main advantage of the WestRock CanCollar Forte system is that you can switch between the different heights of cans. Only the diameter and having a 202 standard rim. This is important, but you can also use, in this case, the smaller 33 centiliter can, and I can demonstrate how it works. It's a completely toolless changeover. You see, I'm just screwing here with my hand, and that way it's relatively fast. And then again, we need the frame. Put the CanCollar itself onto the frame, apply it onto your tray of cans, your standard 24, and then here we go. Two finger holds this time, 6-pack, and that's the way how it should work. Stable, stiff, and everything you need to know, and everything which the pack can offer for your shelf appearance. If you raised your interest in this plastic-free, sustainable solution for can multipacks, you can find all relevant information under this video.